Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to replace a Dodge Durango tail light. This is a straightforward task you can do yourself with just a few common tools. You will need a flathead screwdriver, a trim removal tool, and a 10mm socket. Some models may also require a Torx T20 bit. Make sure you have your new bulb or entire tail light assembly on hand before you begin. Let's get started. To begin, open your Durango's rear hatch or tailgate to access the tail light area. You will find two retaining clips or screws that secure the tail light assembly. Use your trim removal tool or a flathead screwdriver to carefully pry out these fasteners. Once they are removed, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight away from the vehicle. Be mindful of any wiring connections still attached. Now, you need to determine if your Durango has individual bulbs or a sealed LED tail light assembly. If it uses bulbs, simply twist the bulb socket counterclockwise to remove the old, faulty bulb. Then, insert the new bulb and twist clockwise to secure it. If your vehicle has a sealed LED unit, you will need to disconnect the electrical wiring harness and then install the complete new tail light assembly. With the new bulb or assembly in place, it's time to reinstall everything. Carefully align the tail light assembly with its mounting points on the vehicle body. Gently push the assembly firmly back into position until it sits flush. Next, reinstall the two retaining clips or screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are secure. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test all tail light functions, including your brake lights and turn signals, to confirm proper operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.